Welcome to everyone. Today we will see the Rutherford atomic model. Before you should subscribe my YouTube channel videos, likes, comment, share it. Don't forget click the bell buttons. Let us start now. Rutherford atomic model. The first, the plum pudding model is given by J.J. Thomson. Failed to explain certain experiment result of the atomic structure of elements. Rutherford, a British scientist, conducted an experiment, and based on the observation of this experiment, he proposed the atomic structure of element, and he have the Rutherford atomic model. Rutherford alpha scattering experiment. Rutherford conducted an experiment by bombarding a thin sheet of cold with alpha particle and then studied the trajectory of this particle after this interaction with the cold foil. Rutherford, in his experiment, characterized high energy of stream of alpha particle from a radioactive source of thin sheet of paper or thin sheet of 100 nanometer thickness of cold foil in order to study of reflection caused to the alpha particle. He placed a fluorescent zinc sulfide screen around the thin cold foil. You can see image of diagram. Rutherford made a certain observation that contracted Thomson atomic model. Observation of Rutherford alpha scattering experiment. The observation made by Rutherford led him to the conclude that the first one major fraction of alpha particle pumped towards the cold sheet passed through it without any deflections, and hence most of the space in an atom is empty. It's a very important. The most of the space in atom is empty. Second, some of the alpha particles were deflected by the cold sheet by very small angles. Hence, the positive charge in the atom is not uniformly distributed. The positive charge of in an atom concentrated in very small volume. Rutherford he concluded that very few of alpha particles were reflected back. That is, only a few alpha particles had nearly 180-degree angle of deflection. So that Rutherford he concluded that volume occupied by the positive charged particle in an atom is very small as compared to the total volume of an atom. Rutherford atomic model. Based on observation and conclusion, Rutherford proposed the atomic structure of elements. According to the Rutherford atomic model, the first one, the positive charged particle and most of the mass of an atom were concentrated in an extremely small volume. He called this region of atom as a nucleus. Second, Rutherford model proposed that negative charged electron surrounded the nucleus of an atom. He also claimed that the electrons surrounding the nucleus revolve around it with very high speed in circular paths. He named as the circular path as a orbits. Third, electron being negatively charged and nucleus being a densely concentrated mass of positively charged. The particles are held together by a strong electrostatic force of attraction. Limitation of Rutherford atomic model. Although the Rutherford atomic model was based on experimental observation, it is failed to explain certain things. First one, the Rutherford proposed that electrons revolve around the nucleus in fixed paths called as orbits. According to the Maxwell, accelerated charged particles emit electromagnetic radiations, and hence an electron revolving around the nucleus should emit electromagnetic radiation. This radiation would carry energy from the motion of electron, which would come at the cost of stringing of orbit. Ultimately, the electron would collapse in the nucleus. Calculations have shown that, as per the Rutherford model, an electron would collapse in the nucleus in less than 10 power minus 8 seconds. So that Rutherford atomic model was not in accordance with Maxwell theory and could not explain the stability of an atom. Just note on that Rutherford atomic model, he could not explain the stability of an atom. Second, limitation of Rutherford atomic model. The one of the drawback of Rutherford model was also that he didn't explain about the arrangement of electron in atom, which made his theory incomplete. Third, although early atomic models were inaccurate and failed to explain certain experimental results, they were the base for future and development of world quantum mechanics. Thank you. We will see the next video. You should subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment, share it. Thank you.